In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to AWeber email. If you're building an email in AWeber and want it to pop with visuals, adding an image is quick and straightforward. Start by opening your email in the drag and drop editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different content elements you can use to build your message. Look for the image element. When you find it, click and hold, then drag it into your email exactly where you want the image to appear. You can place it above a text block, between sections, or at the end, wherever it makes the most sense for your layout and message. Once the image block is in place, click on it to open the image menu. This is where you'll decide how to bring your image into the email. You have three simple options. First, you can upload an image directly from your computer by selecting Upload Image. This is great for logos, product photos, or any custom graphic you've prepared. Make sure the file is a common format like JPG or PNG and that it's optimized for email so it loads quickly for your subscribers. Second, if you've used images in previous campaigns, you can choose an existing image from your gallery. This saves time and helps keep your design consistent across emails. Your gallery is essentially your personal library inside AWeber, so it's perfect for assets you use often, like brand headers or social badges. Third, you can select an image from the stock gallery. This built-in library offers a wide range of professional, royalty-free photos you can use to enhance your message. It's especially helpful if you're crafting a newsletter on the fly and need a clean, relevant image without leaving the editor. Browse by keyword to find something that complements your content and supports the overall tone of your email. After you pick your image, AWeber will place it right inside the block you added. Take a moment to visually confirm it fits the flow of your message. Consider how it pairs with your headline and surrounding text, and ensure the image is clear and on brand. If you're aiming for fast load times, choose images that are not overly large and keep designs simple and focused so your readers immediately understand the purpose of the visual. That's it. Drag in the image element, click to open the menu, and either upload your file, pick from your gallery, or use the stock gallery. With just those steps, your email will look more engaging and professional.